Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with mom and dad responding to a crash call on the spur. We are actually getting ready to get a police escort down the wrong way on the spur here to see if we can work this one. We're in all three trucks, mom in big red, dad in red rollback. So we're gonna see if we can wait for these police officers to show up and then see if we can respond to this call. Okay, looks like the park ranger just got here. We're gonna see what's gonna go on. It's gonna go down. Never thought I'd be driving down the wrong way on the spur. Goodness. Huge trailer flipped over in the middle of the road is what it looks like. This looks like it's probably going to be miserable. Yeah, this is going to suck. Really bad. I don't even know if we're gonna get this. Dude. So I'll probably, if you can kind of angle, square up with it, and leave enough room for the rollover. down, Covin, so it can stop it from rolling. When do you want to stop? Yeah, you can stop now. I don't think I'll need that one. I've got mine. Oh.
Don't stand there, it might roll back.
I think we got it for this too. Okay, slow it easy.
Once you get it up on its side, you might be able to readjust the blocks.
I know, me too, me too. Okay, that's good. I like it there. I like it there. Let me move your truck. I'm gonna readjust. Yeah, I probably need it. Well, I think it'll land. I think it'll be okay. Give me slack on one. You're a local mine? Yeah, I'm gonna local yours.
I'm going to run over and move some of that debris. Just that one piece is not connected.
Yeah, if you want to load and move. Yeah. And I'm going to go forward. I think they can, yeah, go back a little bit. We've got everything. Want me to go ahead? Ready?
let the ambulance through. Getting out of the way of the ambulance. There's the ambulance trying to get through. Jeff, jack it around.
That's right.
Covin, pull way forward. Pull way forward. Jeff, drive. Drive if you can. Yeah, we gotta let the ambulance through. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Can they fit through here? All right. Good. Stop, Jeff. Okay. All right, I'm sorry. You were saying set you guys up for what?
If you guys can set us up, we'll put it back on the truck.
Is it not broken?
No, I don't know if it's not broken. It looks like it's all right.
Okay.
I said the axles are all still attached, so I think it'll pull. Yeah, it's broken. The latch is broken.
What are all of these? What are all of these? Are these not?
Those are pieces for a track that was on the trailer.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, gotcha. Okay.
But they're going to make us set everything back on the trailer real quick.
Okay.
That other truck, put them up and set them on the trailer.
Yeah, we'll put some of this stuff on the...
They want us to, hold on, he's pulling forward.
Oh, I thought he was hooked still.
Make sure, I guess if it's in the park, make sure we clean everything up.
Yeah, we have to clean everything up. I don't know where you want
That stuff
this.
is a rollback, I'm assuming?
They want us to fix this so that they can put it back to their truck.
I don't think it's not happening here.
So yeah, that's what's going on with that.
Okay guys, I'm sorry for not really talking. We're trying to hustle, get that thing flipped over, get the road cleaned up as best as we could. There's so much debris all over the place. So I think the game plan is for my dad in Big Red in that big trailer to go up right here to this very next road, get this thing hopefully turned around, and then we are going to try to head back to the lot from there. And I think they were going to try to have a welder come out and hopefully get this thing picked up, hopefully get this thing fixed so that they can drive it. But the truck that was towing this trailer originally is thankfully drivable. They said that they cut the rear quarter panel off with a sawzall or something like that, because it was really the only thing that was stopping them from being able to drive it. So they got that taken care of. We got the majority of all of the debris picked up. We did not get any of the cinder block. As you can see here, there's still a lot of cinder block debris on the road there that they are going to come back with a big dump truck later, and they're gonna be getting that, just because we don't really have any way to secure all of that debris. So anyways, hopefully he's getting that thing turned around. I think I should be able to get up here and get turned around as well, and then we're gonna go from there. Downtown Gatlinburg, so ridiculously backed up from us, unfortunately. So sorry about that, guys. Crazy stuff. On top of Jeep invasion happening right now. So here in town looking at the Jeeps, getting caught in this horrible traffic caused by us. Well, not caused by us, fixed by us. Then, yeah. Sorry about that. Hopefully it didn't ruin your plans too much. So this goes all the way. We picked this one up actually right in between the first bridge. Forgive me, I don't know the name. Maybe Elijah can put it in the video. Between the first bridge and the Legion Field Bridge, kind of there, right before you get to the tunnel on that side there. So we actually came in on the wrong way on the spur there to get to this one faster, just because traffic was so ridiculously backed up already at that point, because this thing was flipped over in the middle of the road. So we had a ranger lead us in. Thankfully got there, flipped over pretty easy, but man, did it take a minute on that crash cleanup. Just thought I'd show you guys how horribly backed up this traffic is. Again, I'm pretty deep into Gatlinburg now. See if maybe we can get over. Yeah, no, this is backed up all the way through downtown. This is kind of crazy on both sides. Just goes to show, if the spur gets completely shut down for 30 minutes, it is complete and total chaos.